Hey everybody, I'm back with another hair tutorial, so stay tuned to see how I handle this mane. So today I'm doing a perm rod set and I'm starting out with freshly detangled and twisted hair. So I'm starting out with a few sections at a time because I plan on putting 2 flat twists on the side. So I'm gonna need to part my hair for the flat twist to be set, and then I'm gonna detangle each part before I flat twist. Now y'all, I am not a flat twisting pro, so please do not take any tips from me on this. So before I start, I want to show you guys the products. I'm using Camille's Naturals Moisture Milk and Curlaide Moisture Butter to moisturize my hair. I am wetting my hair with my spray bottle, then running in my moisture milk and then my Curlaide Moisture Butter before I do each section. Once I have no more hair to pick up, I'm going to take a small rubber band just to tighten and hold in my hair before I put those into perm rods. And I'm going to repeat this step one more time. So I didn't tell you, but in the spray bottle, I have just a combination of half aloe juice and half water. So here I'm going to show you the steps that I'm taking with the perm rod. After I put the product in, comb it through, I will be smoothing my hair all the way down to the tip and applying the ends of my hair to the bottom of the perm rod first. Sidebar, I really love these Camille Naturals products because my hair stays soft for days, girl, literally. I usually like to put the ends of my hair towards the end where it has the black clamp, and then I just roll my hair up, and occasionally flip my hair over it. But as I'm rolling it up, I'm also smoothing the hair that is on the perm rod. So I do this until I can no longer roll up my hair anymore, and then I just fasten up the perm rod and move on to the next section. So here I am applying the product after applying the water, and I will be applying the moisture milk and then the butter to seal in all of the moisture. And then I'm just gonna do the same steps over again. Add more water if necessary. Then I'm gonna go back to the bottom, the tip of that section, and start rolling it up and smoothing the hair that is already rolled on down so it can be nice and defined. Here I'm going to show you one more time. Ooh, do you see that definition? I love these products so far. And I'm going to just roll it up, smooth the hair, and twirl it around occasionally until there's no more hair left. And then I'm going to fasten the rod. I went ahead and did the rest of my hair off camera and left these 2 sections left so you can just see 2 more times how I did it in case you missed out the first few times. Oops. child, you see that length? Shrinkage is real. And people do not forget, shrinkage means you have healthy, elastic hair. This is the last part. After I smooth it, I'm just rolling it all the way to the top, making sure I'm smoothing the hair already on the rod, and I'm gonna keep going until I have no more hair left. Then I'm just gonna close the rod. So here you can see I have about 22 perm rods in my head, and I'm gonna get ready to go to bed and unravel in the morning. Good morning. Here you see me taking down each rod the next morning after everything has set. And I did take my time, but it may appear that I am going fast. Don't worry. So what I'm doing, I'm unhooking the perm rod and just rolling the rod around the hair to keep the natural curl that it made overnight. You don't want to disturb the curl, so take your time with this. And here you see me starting to separate each curl, but I only separate where it naturally divides. If you find yourself having a hard time separating and the curls get out of whack, just twirl them around in the natural direction that they are curling, and that should help keep them back in place. So I'm gonna go ahead and keep separating my curls until I get it full enough. After you separate, you just want to go in with an afro pick and fluff your hair to give it that extra volume. You know your hair shrank overnight, so you just want to make sure you're stretching it back out to a shape that you desire. So I'm liking this. Look at that. Look at the curls bouncing back. Yes. So y'all, that's basically it. Thank you so much for watching my video, and I want to ask you guys, if this video helped, please give it a like, leave a comment, and subscribe down below. Have a good day, everybody, and stay tuned for my next video.